Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix EAFC24 DirectX error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to just update graphics card driver. So before doing anything else, updating the GPU driver to fix the DirectX error on EA Sports SC22 might solve the problem rather. So to do that, just right click on the Windows Start menu and choose the device manager. So here's the device manager, and after that double click onto the display adapters and right click onto your GPU and select update driver and choose search automatically for drivers and wait to complete the guide. And then next, what you can do is to reinstall the latest DirectX runtime libraries. So to solve the DirectX runtime error on FC24, reinstalling or updating is one of the most effective methods to try. So here are the steps to follow. So first, just visit the DirectX runtime download page and download the installer. Downloading DirectX user runtime web installer. And after that, just run the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen prompts to install it and restart Windows. And then next, you can also try reinstalling the video and the card driver. So just open the device manager like the first method and then right click on the GPU driver and click on the uninstall. And just take attempt to remove the driver for this device and click on the uninstall, and you can restart your Windows and go to the AMD, Intel, or the NVIDIA driver download page, whatever you're using, and then just select the GPU model and click onto the search. You can now download the driver and install it in your PC or on your PC. And then, lastly, what you can do is to install the latest Windows update. So to do that, just press the Windows plus I on the keyboard and open the Windows settings and go to the Windows Update tab and click on the check for updates and install any available one. So after updating your Windows, you should restart your PC. It should work, and I also suggest you to um, go to the support website of the FC24 and see if they can help you with the problem or the errors. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.